Happy Halloween, everyone. I'm Adrienne Metz from Paylode, and today I wanted to do a little bit of an unboxing of the kinds of things that you can get in a Paylode Perks marketplace. So I ordered this amazing king duvet and sham set. So it comes with 2 shams and a king duvet, and it was way more than 50% off. I ended up getting the whole set for $40, shipping included. We love linens in Hutch, but let's see what it looks like inside. Okay. Comes really nicely, tightly packed, which is awesome. I got this in the color Sage in a Cal King, so that I can have it match everything else. Okay, awesome. So machine washable, ultra soft, hypoallergenic, and it fits both a king and a Cal King. So we'll rip this off. Already I can tell you this little bag that it comes in is super soft, and it's also wrapped inside the bag, which is really awesome. This color is amazing. It's like a nice light green, very neutral. Oh my God, these are so soft. Wow, look at this. This is so nice. It's incredibly soft. Okay. Ooh. And then let's see. It comes. Okay, and here are the shams, which look amazing and have opening in the back, nice and big, and they're not so thick that you can't sleep on the shams. You know, when the shams are so rough that you're like, I gotta take these off the bed. These are really, really soft, so you can just sleep with your king pillows, with your king shams, and your beautiful king duvet. One of the brands and products that you can find in a Paylode Perk Center. Thanks, everybody. Happy Halloween.